I still see the Dow up over 200 points. That's not bad. 250. The Nasdaq's up 91 points. Scott Shellady with me this morning. Scott, why is the market taking the tariff news harder than you anticipated?
Well, I think that the tariff news on its own was okay, but this treaty research bit that came out, you probably have already talked about it here this morning. But there was a doom and gloom article over the weekend that really didn't put the U.S. economy in a very good shape when we saw a full rollout of AI. They had words like recession. They had words like stock crash. A lot of people being unemployed. And that's really what got the market going yesterday. So we've gone, it's a psychological thing, Stuart, really. We've gone from looking for any reason to rally to now we're looking for any reason to break. I'm afraid that might be the case again with tomorrow's NVIDIA reports, because they're going to peel it apart no matter how good it is and find that one little thing that makes the market sell off, and they might be able to amplify that. But it's almost like right now investors are worried at the highs that this is too good to be true. We got to slow our roll. It's almost like we're back in high school trying to hurt ourselves for some reason, but we just have to relax because, Stuart, there was a report out over the weekend again. 84% of the world has not touched AI yet. They haven't seen it yet. They haven't used it yet. Yeah. It's only been adapted by 16%. And of that 16%, hardly anybody's using it for what everybody thinks it's going to be used for. So we're still in the very beginnings. 84% of the world has not touched AI yet. We got a long way to go.
Quick question on gold. Seems to be a safe haven. Okay, it's down a bit this morning, but it's at $5,100 an ounce. Meanwhile, Bitcoin sinking. Last time we checked, it was 63,000. So gold is proving its power over Bitcoin. Would you accept that statement?
Yeah, I would. Well, yeah, I would. But if you could go back 7 to 10 years ago, Stuart, when Bitcoin was all the rage and gold was just laying there. But I think that what's happened here is that Bitcoin's come out from behind the curtain. The use case is still very early on when it comes to Bitcoin. You can go down to Costco and buy a gold bar. You can touch it, you can feel it, you can hold it. So in times like this, that makes people feel better about what they've got going forward when they actually can see a use for it. And Bitcoin's still kind of nebulous. What am I going to do with this when it does happen? And that's why we've seen it come off almost 50%, like kind of gold is hung in there. There's a few other reasons with central banks around the world, but they've 100% totally switched places. It was 10 years ago, if you wanted to express your views of the U.S. economy, you did it via Bitcoin. Now you're doing it via gold. I would say, though, gold getting a little dangerous, silver getting a little dangerous. We'll see how it goes. But right now, they've 100% switched spaces.
You got it. Scott Shellady. We'll see you again real